Hello.
Hello.
Ah,
Let's see, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ hello.
Sir.
Matrix A ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A equal to I will give the numbers. Matrix A equal to it is a 3 by 3
Sir.
matrix. First row is 3 2 1.
Sir.
Second row is 0 3 4.
Sir.
Third row is -1 1 -1.
Sir.
Tell me what you have written.
3, 2, 1.
That is in the first row.
Yeah.
Uh,
Second row 0, 3, 4.
Third row.
Third row -1, 1, -1.
Correct. For this, you find the inverse by using the procedure which I gave you yesterday.
Okay. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಸಮ್ ತಾನೆ ಸರ್? ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಸಮ್ ತಾನೆ?
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ type, I think problem was different, you know.
Yeah.
What I gave the problem yesterday, it was a different problem. But the same type, you have to find the inverse when A is equal to what I gave you.
ಅದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
See, yesterday I gave a different question, I think.
Yes, sir.
So, you do for this today's problem. You are able to see the screen?
No, sir.
It will come. Find the inverse of, I have written, you know.
ಸರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಈಗಲೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
now
ನಿಮ್ದು ಬರೀ ಶೇರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ದು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕು. ಶೇರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗ
ಇವಾಗ ಬಂತು.
So find inverse of 3 2 1 0 3 4 -1 1 -1. Actually, it will take a few seconds more. So we don't have to hurry up, otherwise it will come.
Yes, sir.
Now you are able to see the screen?
ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು.
Okay. So what will you do first?
We should find the determinant.
So find out. Whether you practiced that problem yesterday or what?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
I should find the answer. ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಇದು
yeah, first
ಬಿ
find the
C12
first
ಸಿ
find the
C3 ಒಂದು ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ah,
C3 ಟು C3 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್.
ಇನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಮೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಸಮ್ಮರ್.
Okay, you do this problem. So first you will find the determinant.
Determinant.
First step is to find the inverse. First step is to find the determinant.
Yes, sir.
How much you got?
Sir, I'm doing it.
Ah. While doing, if you keep telling, then I can also understand what you are doing.
3 into -1 -3 -4 -2 into 0 -1 is 0.
How do you start?
N, sir.
How do you start doing this problem?
We should find the determinant first. We'll
No,
keep the A inside the vertical lines, two vertical lines.
See, first what you have to do is, this is a problem given in the question paper. Okay.
Sir.
Now what we have to do is, we have to say, let matrix A equal to, you write this matrix that is given. 3, 2, 1, 0, 3, 4, -1, 1, -1. Then we want to write determinant A. So it is 3, 2, 1, 0, 3, 4 minus 1 1 minus 1. You have to write this because this portion is in the question paper.
Yes, sir.
You have written like this.
Yes, sir.
Next, we can write determinant A equal to. Then write how we were writing. So we'll write the element in the first row and first column, which is
3 into
so we will
3
write
into
here
3, 1, 4 minus 1.
3 into, we write the determinant ignoring the first row and the first column.
First column.
That will give you 3, 4, 1 minus 1. 3,
Yes, sir.
4, 1 minus 1. Then you write the minus sign, write the element in the first row, second column, which is 2 in this problem.
Yes, sir.
Now ignore the first row and the second column. Write the remaining numbers, how they are looking in the same fashion. That is 0, 4, minus 1, minus 1. 0,
Yes, sir.
4, minus 1, minus 1. Then there will be a plus sign. Write the element in the first row, third column, which is 1 in this problem.
Yes, sir.
Then write the elements ignoring the first row, third column, which are looking as it is from the given matrix, which is 0, 3, minus 1, 1. 0, 3, minus 1, 1. Now you should be able to find out how much is this. So please do, because you already done several problems like this.
Sir, minus 26 answer.
You already got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is correct. That means we will have 3 into this one. When you multiply, you will get minus 3.
3 into minus 1.
Then there is a minus in the formula. So that will give
Minus 4.
minus 4. Then minus 2 into this, when multiply 0 and minus 1 will give 0. There is a minus in the formula and this will give minus 4. So therefore it will become plus 4. Then 1 into
Plus 1 into
0 into 1
0
will give
minus
0.
0 plus 3.
Then there is minus here and this will give minus 3. Therefore it is plus 3. So determinant A equal to 3 into minus 7 minus 2 into 4 plus 1 into 3. So determinant A equal to minus 21 minus 8 plus 3.
Plus 3. It's 20 minus 26.
So this will become minus 29. So subtract 3, it will give minus 26. So this is how you have done.
Yes, sir. Same.
Your working should be like this, sir.
Same, sir. Hanged.
And write this equal to sign exactly one below the other like this, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the next step?
Then we should do alpha.
So how will you start?
Alpha is equal to,
Let alpha is equal to, you
let
have to
alpha is equal to
ah, write the
alpha 1
matrix.
1,
Ah,
alpha 1 2,
hmm,
alpha 1 3,
hmm,
alpha 2 1,
ah,
alpha 2 2,
hmm,
alpha 2 3,
ah,
alpha 3 1,
ah,
alpha 3 2,
hmm,
alpha 3 3.
ah. Then you write
Then
the
again matrix A is equal to
not A.
3 2 1 0 3 4
Ah,
minus 1 1 minus 1.
ah. First you have to write the formula.
Yes sir.
The formula is alpha ij equal to
Alpha 1 1 is equal to
not 1 alpha ij.
formula.
Formula first you write
Alpha ij.
alpha ij is equal to -1 to the power of I plus j
Yes sir.
multiplied by matrix M.I.J.
Okay. Alpha 1 1 is equal to -1 to the power of 1 plus 1. Hello sir. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Sir ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
So formula is alpha ij is equal to -1 to the power of I plus j multiplied by matrix that is determinant M.I.J.
Yes sir.
So that is the formula. So giving different values for I and j, you will have to calculate I11, I12, I13. That is alpha I1, alpha 11, alpha 12, alpha 13, alpha 21, alpha 22, alpha 23, alpha 31, alpha 32, alpha 33. So these things you have
Yes
to
sir.
calculate. Use that formula. Give the different value for ij. So I is the first number, j is the second number in the subscripts.
Yes sir.
So alpha 11
Alpha 1 1 is equal to
-1 power
minus
1,
1 1 plus 1.
1 plus 1, determinant of M11.
3 4 1 minus 1. 3 4 1 minus 1.
That is M11. Correct. So then simplify that one.
Yes sir. Sir, -7 answer. -7.
Answer. You continue. I will check up. So it will be,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
yeah,
sir, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
-7 will come. Correct.
-7. Correct. -3 -4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Because minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 is 2. So it is a even number. So there will be positive. And 3 into minus 1 is -3. And minus of 1 into 4 is -4. So it is -3 -4, which becomes -7. So alpha 1 2 is
-1 to the
you
power
had,
of 1 plus 2.
1
1 plus 2.
So therefore it becomes a
It becomes a negative number.
correct,
Negative sign.
correct.
So alpha 1 2. 0 -1 4 -1.
Huh?
0 -1 4 -1.
You are writing the determinant.
Yeah. So the answer is 4.
How? You check.
Sir, 0 into -1 is 0, sir.
0 into
-1 is 0.
Hmm.
-1 into 4 is -4.
Hmm.
So 0 minus of -4. So it becomes 0. Ayo. 4.
So what is alpha 1 2?
Alpha 1 2 is equal to -1 into 1 to the power of 1 plus 2. -4, sir. Sorry.
That's it. See, plus minus is very important. If you just ignore it,
Yes, sir.
So like that, you have to find all the other things also, find it.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So if you tell me what you are doing, then I will be knowing what you are doing.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Hmm.
ಆಲ್ಫಾ 1 3. ಸರ್ -3 ಆನ್ಸರ್.
How?
ಸಾರಿ ಇದು ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3, sir. Just 3. Plus
Ah,
3.
You should be careful when simplifying,
Uh-huh.
otherwise.
Alpha 2, 1. Sir, minus 3. Alpha 2, 1 answer.
No. Again, you check.
Sir, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Hello.
Hello.
Sir, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2.
Ah,
And 1 into 1 is 1.
ah,
So it's even number, it's odd number, it gives minus sign, no, sir.
ah.
So minus 2 minus 1 becomes minus 3.
No, you are not doing correctly at all, you see.
1 minute, sir.
You are doing alpha to 1 or
2, 1, sir.
alpha to 1 you are doing. So what will you write?
2, 1, 1 minus 1. Determinant.
Ah.
2 into minus 1 is minus 2.
Hmm.
And again minus sign will come in between.
Ah,
1 into 1 is 1.
ah,
Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3.
ah.
Answer. Correct answer.
Then,
Next,
what you have to
alpha
write?
2. ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು?
See, you are not following the formula at all, you see. Formula you have to use and write. What is the formula for
1 minute,
alpha
sir.
to 1?
1 minute, sir. 78. Alpha 2 1 is equal to
Ah,
minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ah.
ಅದು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರು, ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಲೋ.
Ah,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದು 2 1 1 minus 1.
ah.
2 into minus 1 is minus 2.
Ah,
Again it's negative sign, so it comes in between, and 1 into 1 is 1.
ah.
Minus 2 minus 1, it becomes minus 3 only, no, sir.
Correct. Then,
3 into...
one more operation you have forgotten, na? How are you writing? See,
What, sir?
alpha ij
Huh.
is equal to minus 1 to the power of
I plus u.
I
I
plus
plus
j
j.
multiplied by determinant of mij. So what will happen for alpha to 1? You have to write fully and simplify.
ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ 1 1ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ 1 2 ಆ ಥರ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಆಲ್ಫಾ 1 1ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ 1 2 ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಲೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, otherwise your answers will be wrong. That's why you are telling something. So always you have to use the formula and write it.
ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ 1 1 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು -7.
ಹಾ,
ಅದಷ್ಟೇ
ಯಾಕೆ
ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಯಾಕೆ -7 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್
ಇಟ್ಸ್ 7 1 1. ಹಲೋ,
ಹಾ,
ಅದು -7 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ವೈ?
ಹಾಂ, we have simplified the 3 minus 1, 3 into -1 and 1 into 4.
ಹಾ,
So we got the answer as 7, -7.
ಹಾ. Why is that? It is because -1 to the power of 1 plus 1 is -1 to the power of 2. That means it is +1. So we don't write here
Yes sir.
+1, we will not write. Therefore, you got
Yeah.
this answer.
Yes
But
sir.
when you go to alpha 1 2, it is -1 power 1 plus 2
It's my
Yeah.
negative sign.
M12. Now this is 1 plus 2 becomes 3. So -1 cube means we get a minus sign here. That means actually you can write -1 also. Then you have to write M12. M12 is 0 4 -1 -1. So that means there is minus outside. Then there is 0 into -1 is 0. Then -1 into 4 is -4, which becomes +4. So this answer becomes -4. How much you got?
-4.
How did you get?
-0 plus 4.
That means minus is outside.
Yeah.
That has
Minus
come.
into plus becomes minus.
Yeah,
So
that
again
minus
it's
has
-4.
come there because -1 to the power of 1 plus 2 is odd number. Therefore, there will be a minus sign
Yeah.
outside.
Yes sir.
You have done there, if you otherwise you will not get the minus there. You will get 4 only.
Yes sir.
So alpha 1 3 is -1 to the power of 1 plus 3, M13.
0
So
minus 1
1
3
plus
1.
3 will give you 4. Therefore, we don't have to write the plus sign here. We can simply write the determinant, that M13. So M13 is 0 3
Yes, sir.
-1 1.
Yes sir.
So this will become 0 plus 3 it will become, because minus is in the formula.
Yes sir.
So that becomes equal to 3.
Yeah.
Like this you have to find alpha 2 1.
Yes sir.
-1 power 2 plus 1 M 2 1. So So here we get a minus sign
1 cube.
because 2 plus 3 is odd number.
Odd number.
So what is
2,
M21?
1,
It
1
is
minus 1.
2, 1, 1 minus 1. 2, 1,
Yeah.
1 minus 1. So there is a minus outside. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus of 1 into 1 is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So this becomes minus 3 and there is a minus sign outside. Therefore, it will become plus 3. Like that, you do the other items. Alpha 2, 2.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
understood that way?
Yes, sir.
See, yesterday we did, and you have not practiced it at all. See, otherwise, why you will ask that questions like that?
Sir, any question, sir?
La, this you have to use that minus 1 power I plus j M.I.J formula to find all the values of alpha
ಸರ್
ij.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಹಾ
ನನ್ಗೇನ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಹಾ
ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟು MIJ ಅಂತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
ಹಾ
ನನ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅದೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದೇನೋ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು
No, no,
ಪ್ಲಸ್
no.
3
ಏನ
ಬಂದಿತ್ತು
ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. See,
ಫಸ್ಟ್
you have
ನನ್ಗೆ.
to ask me what if you are not following. You should tell me. Yesterday, step by step, we did
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
everything, and if you have not followed,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಅದು ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
you have to go as per the formula. See, alpha now alpha 2 1 is equal to what you will write?
ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು
Minus
minus 1 to
1
the power of 2 plus 1.
Multiplied by determinant M21. That is called minor of element 2 1. So outside the determinant, you get a minus sign. Actually, if you want, you can write it as this one as minus 1 here in bracket like this. You know, you have followed this.
ಹಲೋ
ಹಾ
ಹಲೋ
ಎಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಏನಾಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಲೋ
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 ಹಾ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ ಸರ್,
ಹಾ
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್?
ಹಾ
ಹಾಂ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ 2.
See, if you want, you can write here like this minus 1 also you can write if you don't want this, because simplification of that is it gives a minus sign. So
Yes,
I
sir.
have written minus there, but if you want, you can write like this.
Okay.
Then in this case, when it is even number, it will be plus 1. If you want, you can write like that.
Yes, sir.
You are able to see?
Yes, sir.
See here you have to write minus 1. Here you can write plus 1. So alpha 2 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So you will get a plus 1.
3 minus 1,
Yeah.
1
So
minus 1.
M22 means 3 horizontally. If you go, it is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 1. 3,
Yeah.
1, minus 1, minus 1. Now
Yes, sir.
this will be 1, and here it will be this into this will be minus 3. Then minus of this into this, which is minus 1. So that means it is plus 1.
Minus 1 plus 1.
So the answer will become minus 2
Minus.
because outside there is a plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So like that you find alpha 2, 3.
Sir, minus 5.
Ah. How do you get?
Minus 1 into 3 plus 2. 3
Hmm.
ones are 3.
Hmm.
Minus 1 into 2 is 2. So it becomes plus 2. And 3 plus 2 is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5.
Ah. So find out like alpha 3, 1. So how much is alpha 3, 1?
Sir, I'm finding it. 3 plus 1. Sir, 11 answer.
No.
ಅಂತ ಇದು.
This is alpha 3 1.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So it is minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1. M31. So this will give minus 1, rather plus 1, because 3 plus 1 is even number. So it is plus 1. Then the numbers are 2, 1, 3, 4. So this is 1 into 8 minus 3. Therefore, it becomes 5, not 11. Because 2 into 4 minus 3 into 1. Minus is in the formula.
Yes, sir. 5.
So what is alpha 32?
Sir, finding it.
So how you got 11?
Sir, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
Now how can you simply add plus sign?
I forgot the formula, sir. Minus sign, I forgot the minus sign. 3 and 3 4s are 12. Sir, minus 12 answer.
How do you get?
3 4s are 12. 12 minus 0 1s are 0. And outside minus sign will be there. 12 minus 0 is 12. So 12 into minus 1 is minus 12.
Correct. So find the next one also.
Sir, answer 9. Hello. Answer 9, sir.
That is for alpha 33.
Alpha 33.
Correct. So alpha 33 is minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 into M33. So this gives you plus 1 because 3 plus 3 is 6.
3203.
M33 is 3203. So 1 into 9 minus 0. So then you write what is alpha is equal to. So alpha is equal to, write the matrix alpha 1 1, alpha 1 2, alpha 1 3, etc. Then you write alpha is equal to, substituting the values of alpha 1 1, alpha 1 2 you have calculated.
Yes, sir.
So write the values what you have calculated in the place where those values should come. So what will you write?
7 minus 7
Ah,
minus 4
ah,
3
that comes in the
horizontal way.
first line,
First row.
first row it will come. So minus 7, minus 4
3.
and 3. Next second row,
Again the second row is 3 minus 2 minus 5.
3 minus 2 minus 5. Then third row,
5
5
minus 12
9.
9.
So this is called the cofactor matrix of A.
Cofactor matrix. Yeah.
This is cofactor matrix of matrix A. When I write A within square bracket, we read it as matrix A.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, you have to find adjoint of matrix A. How will you find?
A inverse into A.
Adjoint of matrix A.
B is matrix B is equal to A
No,
inverse
no.
into A. A into A inverse.
See, after finding the cofactor matrix, you have to find
Sir,
the adjoint of matrix A, which
yes, sir.
is
Adjoint is divided by 10.
no. See, adjoint matrix A is transpose of
Is
alpha.
equal to alpha T. Alpha T.
Alpha transpose of alpha.
Transpose.
So what we got is minus
Minus 7 minus
7
4 3.
minus 4 3, 3 minus 2 minus 5,
5 minus 12 9.
then 5 minus 12 9.
to the power of
If
transpose.
you write T here, we
T.
have to write the transpose of that.
Yes, sir.
So,
Adjoint is equal to minus 7 minus 4 3 3 minus 2 minus 5 5 minus 12 9 by 10.
so first row, we will write it as first column. First row numbers, we write it as first column
First
like
column.
this. Second row, we write it as second column.
Yes, sir.
Then third row, we write it as third column. This is called adjoint of matrix A.
Yes, sir.
This you have followed or not followed?
Yes, sir. I have followed by 10.
There is no by 10 coming.
Sir,
Adjoint,
divided ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವ sir?
adjoint of matrix A is just transpose of the alpha, what we have found.
I got it, sir.
So alpha we write, and transpose of that means first row is written as first column,
First
second row
column,
as
second
second
row is
column, third row
second
as third
second
column.
column. Yes, sir.
That is called adjoint of matrix A.
Yes, sir.
Then next step is we will find the A inverse. It is adjoint of matrix A divided by determinant of matrix A. Now determinant of matrix A, we found it is minus 26. Is it
Yeah.
for this problem?
Yeah.
Then you write what is adjoint matrix A here.
Yes, sir.
So A inverse is equal to, what you have to do is every element in the matrix you have to divide by minus 26.
Yes, sir.
So either you can write 7 by 26 minus 3 by 26. Then minus 5 by 26. Then 4 by 26 means it is 2 by 13. Then 2 by 26 means 1 by 13. 12 by 26 will be 6 by 13.
Yes, sir.
Then 3 by 26 is minus 3 by
Minus 3
26.
by 6.
Then 5 by 26.
9 by 26.
9 by 26, whether you can divide, you can't simplify. So it is minus 9
9
by
by 20.
26. See, you are missing the positive negative sign.
Yes, sir.
So this one, if you want using calculator, you can write 2 digits or like that. You can leave it like this also. If they ask, show that it is equal to, then you have to reduce to that form. Otherwise, you can leave the answer like that only. So if you write for 2 digits, it will become like
0.26.
0.27. 269 is there. So
Ah,
27 we can write.
0.115 minus 0.115.
So 3 divided by 26. So this you can write minus 0.12. 5 divided by 26, which is minus 0.19.
0.192.
Then we have the 2,
0.15.
2 divided by 13. So 0.15.
1.
1 by
130. 1 by 13.
it is 0.08 you can make.
0.07. Yeah, 8.
0.08. Then 6 divided by 13.
0.46.
0.46. This is with a, it is positive only. So 0.46
0 minus 0.12.
minus 0.12.
0.19.
0.19.
Minus 0.34.
35 we can take.
Yes, sir.
0.35 because 346 is there. Now you check whether what you have calculated as A inverse is right or wrong. How do you check?
Yes, sir.
You can say let B is equal to A into A inverse.
Yes, sir. Again, we should find B11, B12, B13 like that.
Yes. So let B is equal to A into A inverse. Let matrix B is equal to A into A inverse. Now we know that matrix B will have the same size as that of A. So there will be B11,
ಸರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
B12,
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
B13 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ.
ಅದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
ಹಾ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
A inverse is equal 0.27 minus 0.12 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೀನಿ 0.19
So that you can calculate also and write. If the first one is written, that you can
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು
do that one.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್.
Okay, okay. So it is B21, B22, B23, B31, B32, B33. So A is the given matrix and A inverse is what you have found. So what was given? 321, 034, minus 1, 1, minus 1. Now A inverse, if you write it in that fraction, what you have written first place, then you will get the exact answers. If you write the
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
decimal fractions, because there is rounding off and truncation, you may not get exactly the same answer. So as a practice, you can do the decimal version. What were the numbers you got there?
0.27
Ah,
minus 0.12
so you
minus
write there,
0.19
write that one and calculate, so that you will understand the difference in what happens when you write fractions and in the decimal form.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
So write down what is B11, B12, B13, etc. All of them. Then you can fill up.
ಸರ್ ಹಲೋ
ಹಾ ಹಾ
ಸರ್ ಇದು B11 0.38 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಹಾ
B11 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 0.38 ಆನ್ಸರ್.
ನೋ ರಾಂಗ್.
ಸರ್ 3 ಇಂಟು 0.27
ಹಾ
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 0.12.
ರಾಂಗ್. How to multiply matrices? I have we did so many problems.
1 minute ಸರ್, 1 minute. 0.15 ಸಾರಿ, ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ
ಹಾ
ಸರ್. 1 ಇಂಟು 0.12. .99 ತಾನೆ ಸರ್?
ಹಾ
-0.01.
ಹಾ
ಸರ್ ಝೀರೋನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ B13. ಝೀರೋ ತಾನೇ ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ B13. -0.03. Sir, 1. 1. -0.02.
Do it. Other things also will do.
P310 ತಾನೆ ಸರ್?
ಇಟ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೀರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.
0.01. One answer.
So B31, how much you got?
0.
B32 is 3 into minus 0.12. No. B31 is minus 1 into 0.27 plus 1 into 0.15 plus minus 1 into minus 0.12. So this is minus 0.27 plus 0.15 plus 0.12. So that is equal to 0. B32 is minus 1 into minus 0.12 plus 1 into 0.08 plus minus 1 into 0.1. So this is 0.12 plus 0.08 minus 0.19. So it is 0.01. B33 minus 1 into minus 0.19 plus 1 into 0.46
plus minus 1 into minus
minus
0.35.
35. So this is 0.19
0.19 plus
plus
0.46 plus 0.35.
46 plus 0.35. How much it comes to?
1.
It will come to 1. So now you can write what is the matrix B.
Yes, sir.
So write matrix B is equal to, you fill up this one.
0.99 minus 0.01
Ah,
0.
that is in the first row.
Yes, sir. Second row minus 0.03
Ah,
1
hmm.
minus 0.02.
Ah,
Third row 0
hmm.
0.01
Hmm.
1.
Ah. Now again write B, matrix B is equal to, now you round off the numbers to whole numbers and write. How much you will get?
What, sir?
You write matrix B is equal to,
Ah,
you have written these fractions,
ah.
those fractions you round off to whole number.
Decimals, sir.
No, decimal, you got B11, how much you got?
0.99.
Ah, that one, if you make it round off to whole number, what can you write?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
0.99 can be written as
1.
1.
Yeah.
Write it. Then minus 0.01 means
0.01 means.
make it round off to whole number.
Yes, sir.
Huh? How much you get?
1 minute, sir.
Huh?
We can write it as minus 1, sir.
How can you write minus 0.01 as minus 1?
minus 0.01 means
Whole number means what will you do?
0.99 minus 0.01.
See, 0.99, you wrote it as 1. How?
Yeah, we rounded off the figure. Means
Huh? Huh?
it will round figure the numerals. Means
Yeah,
the
same
decimal.
thing you do for minus 0.01 also. What will you get?
100.
How do you round off?
Round figure minus 0.01, right, sir?
Huh? So last digit is 1. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
if you delete that, what will you do
3.
for the previous digit?
Sir, we can do like
Huh?
if it. 1 minute, sir.
See, you write separately in the side, 3 point,
Yes, sir.
write somewhere in the paper, 3 point, 3 point. Are you writing?
Yes, sir. 3 point.
1415, 1415,
Yes,
9265,
yes, sir.
36.
Yes,
So what
sir.
you have written?
3.1415926536.
Ah. Now, how many decimal places are there?
10, sir.
10. Now round off to 9 decimal places. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
What will you write?
3.1415
Ah. Ah.
92653.
No. See, rounding off means the least digit, whatever is there, if it is 5 or more, then
Yeah.
previous digit you have to increase by 1. If it is
Okay.
4 or less, that is below 5, then you
Yes,
will
sir.
ignore. Now here it is 6.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen?
We will increase. We will ignore the least numbers.
Ah. Now what you do if you remove 6, how the number you have to write? 3 point.
Hello.
Tell me. 3 point. What will you write?
3.14
Ah.
15
Ah.
9253.
Ah. No. We have missed a digit there.
Sir, 6.
What is the full number I have given?
3.1415926536.
Ah. Now the last digit is 6, is it not?
Yes, sir.
So if you remove that, what will happen to the previous digit? What is the previous digit to 6? What digit comes
Previous
before?
digit of
Before 6, what is the digit?
5.
Huh?
5, sir.
No.
2 ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
See, have you written 3.1415926536?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
So the number what I have given ends with 6.
ಯಾ
So what is the number which is just before the 6?
3.
3. So
Yeah.
if you remove the 6, what will happen to 3?
It will be increased by 1.
Ah. So
Becomes 4.
so what will you get?
3.14
Ah.
1592
Ah.
654.
Correct.
Sir,
Now
we can write it as 4, sir.
which one?
Minus 0.01.
No. You
Sir,
you are
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
you
ಅದು
no, you do this my problem what I gave you, no? Leave
ಓಕೆ
that,
ಸರ್.
leave that problem. Now you do this, then I will tell you. See, you will learn.
ಓಕೆ
See, now you have got what? 3.14159265 you have got.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Is it not?
ಯಾ
This has got 9 digits after the decimal point.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Now, if I reduce to 8 decimal places,
ಯಾ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಸರ್.
ah,
3.14159264.
why?
Because the 4 will be will take out the 4 and 5 will become lesser.
Why it will become less? It will become.
Sorry, greater. 6. 9266.
It is not increasing also. When the digit you are eliminating is 5 or more, then only we increase. If it is less than 5, we will just ignore. We don't increase or we don't decrease. We write the same number.
Then it will come to 9265. That's all, sir.
Now 14159265 is for 8 decimal places.
Yeah.
Now if we want to round up to 7 decimal places, what will happen?
3.14
Ah,
15927.
Because last digit
It's
was
more than 5. We should increase.
last digit was 5, so the previous digit increased by 1.
Yeah.
That is 6 has become 7.
Yes, sir.
Now the number you have got is 3.
1415927. Then
Now
it becomes 3.141597.
no. What is the number you have got right now?
927. It last
Full number,
927.
full you tell me. 3 point.
3.1415927.
Now there are 7 decimal places. I want to
Yes,
round
sir.
out to 6 decimal places. So how will you?
3.14
Ah,
15
ah,
97.
Why?
We will ignore 2.
Not ignoring 2. When the
Sir,
last
because
digit,
it's lesser than 5 now, sir.
which one? Last digit you have to see. Last digit is what?
7.
7. So if you remove 7, what happened to the previous digit?
It will be ignored.
It is not ignored. When it is above 5 and more, you cannot ignore.
Increase. We
Ah,
can increase.
ah.
Sir, I'll 2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ sir?
The 2 will become what?
3.
3. Because you are removing the 7.
Yeah.
7 is the last digit.
3.141593.
Now it is having 6
3.1415 9.
It will become that much because 3 you will remove.
Yeah.
So the number 9 remains the same. Now you reduce to
Yeah.
1 more decimal place.
3.14159 becomes 6.
9 will go away.
3 go away and 5 becomes 6.
That means how much you get?
3.1416.
Ah, next you reduce that one digit also. 6 also you remove.
3.142.
Now, if you write it for true decimal places, what happens?
3.1.
For true decimal places,
For 2 decimal place, 3.2. 3.15.
where is 5 coming?
1 minute, sir. 3.1416 was there, no, sir?
Ah,
16. 6 will go
ah.
and 1 will be ignored.
Why you ignore?
2. 3.142.
Ah,
Then again 2 will go.
ah.
4 becomes 4 will be ignored.
How you ignore 4?
Sir, 2 is below 5, no, sir?
2 is below 5, so 2 will be ignored,
Yeah.
and previous digit whatever is there, it will remain the same. It will neither increase nor decrease.
3.14.
Ah.
Yeah.
Now, if you reduce further one more decimal place,
3.1.
why?
Because 4 will go and 1 remains the same.
Now, if you reduce to whole number,
It becomes 3.
now you use your minus 0.01 is there.
Yes, sir.
There,
It becomes 0. So first row is 100.
first will therefore become 100. What about the second row?
0 1
Ah,
0.
What about the third row?
0 0 1.
So you write matrix B is equal to
1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1.
Now you are able to follow.
Yes, sir.
So when you use the fraction like this, what happens? Because we are there rounding off to 2 decimal place or 3 decimal place like that,
Yes, sir.
the answers will not become exact.
Yes, sir.
But if you keep that fractions and multiply, you
Yes,
will
sir.
get the correct answer like what you got now after rounding off to the whole digit.
Okay.
So therefore, when you multiply by this fraction like this, if you convert that answers to rounding off to whole digits, you get the
Yes, sir.
correct answer.
Yes.
You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So what you do, I want you to practice this several times,
Yes, sir.
and I will give you few problems for homework. Please note down this one.
Okay, sir. Tell
One
me, sir.
problem,
1 minute, sir. Sir, first problem.
first problem, it is a 3 by 3 matrix.
Yes, sir.
So first row is 2 minus 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
Second row, 5, 10, minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Third row, minus 3, 1, 1.
Yes, sir.
For this, you find the inverse and check like this so that you will know what you have done is right or wrong.
We should find the inverse, sir.
If You have written this as
Okay.
a matrix, you know.
Yes, sir. I should find the determinant.
All those
Then
steps,
again,
all the steps up to
cofactor.
what you have done now, you have to do that one. Take
Yeah,
another
okay.
problem. Take another problem.
Yes, sir.
It is a 3 by 3 matrix. First row is 1, 3, 0. First row is
3,
1,
0.
3, 0. Second row
Yeah.
2, 6, 4.
Yes, sir.
Third row -1, 0,
Yes, sir.
2.
Yes, sir.
One more problem. First row -1, 3, 4.
-1.
3, 4. First row.
Yes, sir.
Second row 3, 4, -1.
Yes, sir.
Third row 4, -1, 3.
4 minus 1, 3.
Then one more problem you take. 3, 1, 5. First row.
3, 1, 5.
Second row 1, 3, 2.
1, 3, 2.
Third row -3, -2, 4.
Yes, sir.
So these 4 problems find the inverse. That
Yes, sir.
means what you have done today again, it is a repetition of what we did yesterday.
Yes, sir.
So all the steps correctly you must follow,
Yes,
and
sir.
you must take care of the plus minus signs when simplifying. And at the end, you will know whether what you have done is right or wrong. So you can check
Yes, sir.
yourself, you see. So at the end, if you don't get that 100010001, that means somewhere you have done the mistake and you have to redo the problem.
Okay.
So please try these 4 problems so that it will give the complete exercise of whatever we have learned in determinants and matrices.
Okay.
Huh? So
Okay,
please
sir.
find time and do it. Don't say I have done and not done. I want to check the answers tomorrow. Please work out.
Okay. Okay.
And so that now, otherwise, whatever I do, it will become waste. See, if you don't practice it, so many times the mistakes comes plus minus etc. Confusion will be there,
Yes, sir.
but you have to practice it. So more you practice, you will become familiar with the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, taking care of the plus minus signs while simplification.
Okay. Okay.
That is important. So please do all this one, and we'll meet tomorrow at the same time.
Okay.
And please tell your friends if somebody is interested in joining, so that if more people can get benefit out of this, it will be good.
Yeah, sir, I have told, but they are not responding. I don't know, sir. What? I'll ask
Anyway,
once again. Okay.
anyway, you can tell, and any of your friends, you can give my number so that they can contact me.
Okay.
So whatever possible, let us see
Okay.
if I can help. I will do that.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.